If you've ever needed to export your ClickUp space to a PDF, maybe to share project updates with your clients, or keep a clean offline copy of your work, today's video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your ClickUp overview straight into a PDF document, quickly and easily. So let's get right into it. All right, first things first, make sure you're inside the team space where you want to grab your overview. The team space is like the home base for your project, so double check that you're in the right one. If you're juggling multiple workspaces or projects, take a moment to confirm. This way, you won't accidentally export something unrelated. Once you're inside your chosen team space, look for the Overview option. This is typically found in the navigation area and gives you a snapshot of all your current tasks, progress, and important updates. The Overview is the central dashboard that brings everything together, almost like the cover page of a report. Clicking Overview will open up all those key details you might want to share or save. Now, let's talk about exporting. In the Overview section, you'll notice two options related to PDF: Download PDF and Export PDF to email. You might be wondering, which one should I use? If you just want to grab the PDF instantly and save it directly to your computer, choose Download PDF. The other option, Export PDF to email, is handy if you want to send the document straight to someone's inbox. Instead of saving locally, ClickUp emails it to whoever you specify. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the quickest path, downloading a PDF. Go ahead and click on Download PDF. As soon as you do, ClickUp gets to work packaging up your overview, turning it into a neat PDF file. You'll probably see a little loading spinner or notification. This part can take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of tasks or your overview is packed with project info. Don't worry if it takes a minute or two, just let it process, and avoid clicking the button multiple times, which can slow things down. Once it's finished, you'll see that the PDF has been downloaded to your computer. Depending on your browser, it might show up in your downloads tray at the bottom, or you may need to open your downloads folder to find it. Pro tip: if you're not sure where your downloads go, check your browser settings to find the default location. That way, you never need to hunt around for lost files. And just like that, you've exported your ClickUp overview as a PDF. You can now open it, attach it to an email, print it for a meeting, or archive it for future reference. This simple process can be a real lifesaver for sharing progress with clients, collaborating with teammates who prefer offline docs, or keeping an external record for compliance. That's all there is to it, as exporting a PDF from ClickUp is quick and painless once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you have questions or want to see more tips for using ClickUp and other tools, feel free to drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.